Welcome back to Rent Own Sell. Today, we're tackling a common garden menace that can turn your lush plants into Swiss cheese overnight. Slugs and snails. These slow but destructive creatures can wreak havoc on your garden, but fear not, we've got some effective strategies to help you reclaim your plants. Before we dive into the solutions, let's talk about identifying the culprits. Slugs and snails are most active at night or on cloudy, cool days. Grab a flashlight and check low-growing foliage, soil underneath plants, and shady areas. Look out for their extensible eye stalks and the silvery slime trails they leave behind. Now, for the brave gardeners out there, hand-picking is a straightforward but effective method. Wear gloves, head out after dusk or early morning, and pick them off one by one. Dispose of them by tossing them into a bucket of soapy water. This may not be for everyone, but it's a hands-on approach to protect your plants. If you prefer a hands-off approach, consider using copper mesh. This toxic barrier placed in the ground or on the soil prevents slugs and snails from crossing. Remember to replace it yearly to maintain its effectiveness. Another quirky yet effective method is the beer trap. Create a cozy environment for slugs by placing 2 pieces of wood on either side of a bucket filled with beer. The slugs are lured in, and well, let's just say they won't be waking up the next morning. For a DIY solution, try salt mixtures. Mix 1 part table salt with 9 parts water, pour it into a spray bottle, and apply it to affected areas. Alternatively, sprinkle it directly on slugs or snails on hard surfaces. Reapply every few days until your garden is slug-free. Another natural remedy is diatomaceous earth, safe for humans and pets but lethal to slugs and snails. It works like sandpaper on their soft bodies. Sprinkle it where slugs and snails hide, water it down, and watch as it cuts through their exoskeletons, causing discomfort until they meet their end. Finally, for a homemade remedy, create a slug trap using a jar or bucket. Fill it with beer, cider, or wine, and place it near your plants. The slugs are attracted to the liquid, and, well, you know the rest. A variety of methods to tackle the slug and snail menace in your garden. Experiment with these techniques and find what works best for you. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to share your experiences or tips in the comments below. Until next time, happy gardening!